Hey guys, we're back again with another tutorial with Treasure Booth. On this tutorial, you guys are going to learn how to enable the copies, the unlimited copies feature. So after they take a picture, it'll ask them how many pictures they want to print. You can have it come up before or after. So this video will give you that information. Alright, so let's get started. So assuming that you're on your main page, you're going to go ahead and click on your options for settings, and you're going to click on text. Once you click on text, right here at the bottom it says copies text. How many copies would you like? That's what we're going to ask the customer, and then when we click this guy right here, we can prompt this message after the session or before. I like to have it after, so that way once everybody's taking their picture, right after it's done, it'll say how many copies do you want, and that's where they can pick 5 and then leave the photo booth, and then the next person could come in. So let's see what that looks like now. So now that we have that in there, that looks good. We're going to go ahead and start our photo booth so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, so here we go. We're going to take our pictures. 3, 2, 1. Again, 3, 2, 1. And this feature is perfect for any parties that you guys have. All the unlimited copies, usually like weddings, sweet 16s, quinceañeras, corporate events, where they want everybody to come. This is when you best pick how many copies they want and not many copies they want. You hit the cancel, nope. I think you need one printout, whichever you want to set it to originally, and then it gives you the texting option for the city. If you guys need a tutorial on how to enable your texting, check out the link below. I'll have it in there. Okay, so that's how you guys officially launch your copies button, your unlimited copies button. So remember, it's under the text here, and then you can prompt it before or after. I like it after, but it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. Alright guys, if this video helped you, please hit that thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And please subscribe to our channel so that way you guys can keep learning, different features on Darkroom. Thanks guys. See you later.